In digital technique, lecture number 4. These are some outlines of lecture. First outline is the addition, second one is the subtraction, third one multiplication, and fourth one is the division. We will study arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations includes binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, and binary division. Binary arithmetic includes the basic arithmetic operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The following section presents the rules that apply to these operations when they are performed on binary numbers. See, in binary arithmetic operation, there is a performance in between binary arithmetic is nothing but binary numbers. Addition is used only for the binary numbers. Subtraction used for only binary numbers. Multiplication used for only binary, and division is also used for the only binary numbers. First one is the binary addition. Binary addition is performed in the same way as regular addition in the decimal system and is in fact much easier to master. Binary addition obeys the following four basic rules of operations. Binary addition is similar to the decimal number addition, but only difference is that there is a four rules are used for the binary addition. This is the four rules used for binary addition. This is the two numbers 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 having a answer, sum is the 0 and carry is the 0. 0 plus 1. 0 plus having a sum 1, carry 0. Third rule is the 1 plus 0. In 1 plus 0, sum is the 1 and carry is 0. And fourth one is the 1 plus 1. Here the sum 0. Remember it, sum 0 with carry 1. Again I am repeat 0 plus 0, sum 0 with carry 0. 0 plus 1, sum 1 with carry 0. 1 plus 0, sum 1 with carry 0. 1 plus 1, sum 0 with carry 1. See the examples, these are the binary rules. Here I am taking example. First add 1 plus 1 1 1 and 1 0 1. First is the given number. Here the two numbers. This one is the A number and this one is the B number. These two numbers are added by using binary addition method. First number here write here 1 1 1 and second number is the 1 0 1. See here 1 1 1 plus 1, sum 0 with carry 1. Look here 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 having a sum 0 with carry 1. So here write 1 plus 1, sum 0 with carry 1. This is the carry. Now this 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. But 1 plus 1 is nothing but 1 plus 1 is sum 0 with carry 1. And 1 plus 1 is nothing but sum 1 with carry 1. Look, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to sum 1 with, this is the sum 1 with carry 1. Remember it, 1 plus 1 having a sum 1 with carry 1. Now the second example of addition is this is the second example of addition. First number is the 1 0 1 0. Second number is the 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. And third number is the 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. Look here, 0 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 having a sum 0 with carry 1. Again 1 plus 1, sum 0 with carry 1. Again 1 plus 1 with sum 0 with carry 1. So 1 plus 1 having a answer is 1. Here the addition and here also the addition. Now binary subtraction. In binary subtraction is just as simple as addition. Subtraction of one bit from another following four basic rules. These are some following basic rules. 0 minus 0, answer is 0. 1 minus 1, difference is 0. 1 minus 0, difference is 1. And 0 minus 1 is nothing but difference 1 with borrow 1. Understand it? 0 minus 1 is nothing but difference 1 with borrow 1. Now taking some examples, these are examples. Here they perform the following subtractions: 1 1 minus 0 1. Here taking I am 1 1 minus 0 1. 1 minus 1, look here, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, and 1 minus 0 is 1. So total answer is 1 0. Now the second example is the 1 1 1 minus 1 0, 1 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1, and 1 minus 1 0. This is the second example. Now third example is the 1 0 0 minus 0 1 1. This is the third example. Look here, 0 minus 1 is the difference 1 with borrow 1. This is the borrow. 0 minus 1 is difference 1 with borrow. 1 1 minus 1 is 0, and this one is taken here, so this is the 0. Now see, again I am taking example. Add 1 0 1 1 plus plus 1 0 0 1. This is how I am adding. 1 plus 1, sum 0 with carry 1. Now 1 plus 1 is sum 0 with sum 0 with carry 1. This is the 1, and 1 plus 1 is sum 0 with carry 1. This is the answer. Now I am taking second example of difference. Look here, 1 0 0 minus 0 0 1. Look here, 0 minus 1 is nothing but difference 1 with borrow 1. 0 minus 1 is nothing but difference 1 with borrow 1, and 1 minus 1 is the 0. So total answer is the 0 1 1. These are rules of binary subtraction. Now next method is the binary multiplication. Binary multiplication is performed in the same manner as decimal multiplication. It is much easier since there are only two possible results of multiplying two bits. The binary multiplication perform the following four basic rules. 0 multiply with 0, answer is 0. 0 multiply with 1, answer is 0. 1 multiply with 0, answer is 0. And 1 multiply with 1, answer is 1. These are some examples for the multiplication of binary numbers. First example is the 101 multiply with 11. Second example is the 1101 multiply with 10. Third example is the 1010 multiply with 101. And fourth one example is the 1011 multiply with 1011. See here, these are the examples of multiplication. First 101 multiply with 11. This is the answer. This is the multiplication term, and here take as addition. Look here, First one, this one multiply with this one, 101 multiply with 1, answer is 101, and second one 101 multiply with this one, answer is 101. So final answer is the here 1 plus 1 1 1 101 101 and 111. This is the final answer of multiplication. See, these are the similar example. This is the multiplication term, this one is the addition term. In your day to day regular life, we use this addition method, same addition method use here. Now fourth one is the binary division. Division in the binary numbers system employs the same procedure as division in the decimal system. Binary division is similar to the decimal number system. We perform the following examples. Perform the following binary division. This is the 110 divided by 11, and this one is the 1100 divide by 1 1. Then perform the another binary. These are four examples of binary division. See here, these are the four examples. First example is the 1 1 divided by 110. This 1 1, so here taken as 1 1, and this 1 1 1 minus 1, here perform the division procedure. 1 1 0 1 1 0. Look here, 1 1 0. This 0 taken as 0 and here write as the 0. So total answer is the 0. Now this is the second example. Here the 1 1 1 1 triple 0. First is the 1 1. Here the performs. See here, the division of binary numbers is similar to the division of your decimal number system. These are the examples of the division. Third example is the 110. Then 110 first taken as the 1. So I write here 110. Here the 1 is 0 and here the 1 is 0. So 101. Then taken 1 and 0. So total answer is the 110. So looking at this answer, this is the final answer, and similar is also this procedure. Now I am taking another example for multiplication. See, I am multiplying 1 1 multiply with 0 1. See here, 1 1 is nothing but this 1 is multiplied with 1 1. So answer is 1 1. Now this 0 is multiplied with this term, answer is 0. So final answer is 0 1 1. Again I am taking another example, 1 1 1 multiply with 1 0 1. Now 1 1 multiply with 1. So final answer is the 1 1 1. This 0 is multiplied with these three terms. So final answer is the 1 2 3. Final answer is the 3. Now this is the here the 3. Then again I am repeat here, this 1 is multiplied with this term. So final answer is the 1 1 1. So total answer is the 1 1 1 plus 1 0 with 1 1 plus 1 0 with 1 1 1 plus 1 0 with 1. This is the final answer of multiplication. This is the final answer of multiplication. Again I am taking third example, 1 1 multiply with 1 1. So looking here, 1 1 plus 1 1. So total answer is 1 1 plus 1 0 with 1 and 1 plus 1 0 with 1. Again I am taking these are the examples. Now these are examples for Homework. Convert the following numbers. These are the examples for your homework. Solve it in your textbook or notebook. These are theory examples. First is the define binary numbers, define octal numbers, define decimal numbers, convert binary number into decimal, convert binary number into decimal, convert binary number into decimal, add binary numbers, multiply binary numbers, subtract binary numbers, divide binary numbers, convert binary numbers. These convert binary numbers, these are some examples. Now this is also some examples for the addition of binary numbers, subtraction of binary number and multiplications of binary numbers. These are some examples. Convert the given binary number into their octal. These four question number 1 to question number 14 are used for lecture number first to solve these questions. Use lecture number first, lecture number second, lecture number third and lecture number fourth. Again I am repeat, to solve these examples we use lecture number first, lecture number second, you will be use lecture number first, second, third and fourth. If any query, ask me my mobile number.